I'm Adrian Blackledge at University of Warwick, and I'll be leading the work package called Beyond Languages. In this work package, we want to move beyond the notion that languages are separate and discrete entities, and beyond the linguistic, to consider dimensions of communication which are outside of traditional linguistics, to include embodied communication, multimodal communication, digital communication, and spiritual communication. In order to reach beyond the linguistic, we go to the arts and ask, what can arts-based approaches contribute to knowledge in language policy research? We'll do this in 3 ways. In each of 6 case studies, young people will collaborate with creative practitioners in artistic practice. For example, in Freiburg in Germany, young people will work with artists to co-create theatre, dance and musical performance. In Turin in Italy, they will work towards a public exhibition which will display young people's artwork. In all cases, we will interview the artists to elicit their perspectives on the creative process. Secondly, we will run what we call a creative arts lab, where we will invite artists based all around Europe to work together in collaboration with academic researchers as they respond to outcomes of the research. Researchers and artists will exchange innovative methods to enhance the potential of collaboration between the arts and academic research. Here we will work with a filmmaker to produce a film which is both a record of the event and a training resource for the future. Thirdly, we will commission artists to produce a piece of art in response to outcomes of the research. At this point, the mode and genre of the artwork is open. It could be a theatre piece, a large-scale installation, an exhibition, a piece of choreography, street art, digital art, or poetry. Commissioned artists will have 8 months to work on their piece and will present it at the final conference of the project in 2027. We will work closely with the artists, recording their perspectives on the creative process. In these several ways, we will generate new knowledge about the potential of arts-based practice to extend and enhance sociolinguistic research.